wipe.
So that's why, that's the only time. Or, actually, no, don't dodge at all.
Yeah, don't dodge at all.
We gotta do the DPS.
Yeah.
And then we'll have the dodge glitch, and it's just a whole nother story.
This is so crazy. This is why I don't like my Mr. Drunk Machamp.
That's why you gotta start racing Machamps.
He's not reliable.
They put Poliwrath in front.
You think so?
No, it's too late.
Yeah. No, I kind of want a tank at the end.
Okay. You want a screenshot with Poliwrath?
Yeah, exactly. Let's do this.
What is it, Blizzard?
Yeah, Blizzard.
Oh, God.
Does it hit really hard?
We're about to find out. Here it is.
Oh,
okay. Oh,
yeah,
you survived it.
Yeah, it's not bad.
You survived it, at least.
Oh, yeah, more dynamic punch.
I think we're doing the same amount of dynamic punch each. That sounds cool.
Yeah, that's really nice.
It really does sound like a blizzard.
Wow. We got this.
You're on your second one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Do blizzard.
Yeah, see? We get yellow.
Yeah, that's good.
Lost! This is awesome!
But it's not over, Tom. we gotta focus. No celebrating early. Just ask the Atlanta Falcons. The Falcons celebrated early in the Super Bowl, and then they lost. It's not over.
I know, right? Oh my God.
It's never over.
My DPS is about to drop.
Exactly.
No, but we hit yellow at what? Over 100?
No.
101 or 102?
Like 97.
No, it was 100. We got this.
Oh, I'm on my 5th.
Yeah. My Mr. Drunk is
nice.
In. He's in.
He might not survive.
He will survive. But I kind of want him dead because I want Poliwrath.
He might survive.
I want my Poliwrath coming out. No,
Coming out.
Poliwrath, I need you. I don't want a screenshot with Mr. Drunk. Yes, Mr. Drunk is gone. Come on out.
Here's DC.
My man.
Yeah, we did it. Sweet. Oh, man. This is so cool.
Ah, this is so awesome.
Yeah, that's it.
18?
I got like 21.
What?
Yeah.
Why your phone is way faster?
Yeah, my hand like 21.
Take the screenshot and send it to me again. We're going to have to slap this in that chat.
Oh, yeah. That one deserves a slap on the chat.
Yeah. It's like, bam.
That's a good job, Tom.
Yay.
That was awesome. I wanted that. And that's the hardest one, right?
Yeah.
The ice?
Yeah. We need to try this when it's snow. If it ever snows.
Yeah, but we're in Texas.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
What's the perfect one? Do you know? What is? What?
That's really good. I think that's good.
What?
Oh, no.
I'm just going to pin up this sucker.
What's yours?
44.
I need to catch it on film. I hit him with that excellent. Yes, first catch!
Let's check it out.
Oh, man. This is so awesome. This is the best one I had so far.
Really?
I don't know his OVs. Best
That
one.
50?
Defense. No, not D. But it might have 14 attack. It deserves a star. Yeah.
You have two men Lapras.
Oh, yeah, that's right. That's right. Yeah, I'll do that right now.
Did you pin up it?
Oh, no.
No?
No.
Oh, because you weren't messing around.
Yeah. Because I have the candies.
Oh. How many candies you have?
242.
My goodness. See, I powered up already once, so I only got like a 90 something.
And here's the weather.
Oh my God, hold on.
It's cloudy.
I'm done with this. I'm just gonna use golden red.
Alright, that's it for now.